Hi, my name is Mary and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of acne, whether it's body acne or it's acne on the face. Today I'm going to be showing you 10 ways to get rid of acne. So click on the subscribe button and let's get this video started. If you have acne, I feel pain. Like seriously, if people got rich with the amount of acne they had on their skin, I think I'll be the richest woman in this world, because I've had so damn too many acne on my face for 2 lifetimes. But somehow I always get rid of them. I always end up getting rid of them. And today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 tips, 10 ways in which I do that. So, the first tip is to use a face wash with salicylic or glycolic acids. This acid acts as exfoliation, which will help you remove dead skin cells from your skin, unclog your pores, and help your acne to heal. Then you can use benzoyl peroxide face washes for your face. Next point is to drink lots of water. It has been proven that when you drink lots of water, it gives you a smooth and a softer skin. So increase your water intake if you want to fight acne from your face. Reduce stress. When you reduce your stress, when you cut down on your stress, you're also cutting back on the amount of acne that you're getting, because stress causes acne. Stress causes your hormones to act up, and your hormones act up by producing acne. So relax a little and have a clearer skin. And create times where you just do nothing. Times where you can breathe, you can bring your body, you can just breathe and just, I guess what I'm trying to say is just to reduce stress. However best you know how to do that, do it. Use face masks with turmeric, aloe vera, honey, and cinnamon. They are very good for acne. Aloe vera and honey helps to soothe your skin. Turmeric helps to fight acne and to clear the spot, while cinnamon helps in the inflammation. My next tip is green tea. Drink green tea. Green tea has antioxidants that is very good for not just your body but also your skin. You can also use green tea as a toner. After using your face wash, you can use green tea as a toner. It will help you. It will help soothe your skin, and it will help you get rid of your acne. Next point is to touch your face less. Your hand carry a lot of bacteria and a lot of germs throughout the day, and touching your face is the fastest way which you can transfer those dirt from wherever you got them from on your skin. So avoid as much as possible touching your face if you really want to get rid of your acne. Reduce your dairy intake. It's an improvement that reducing your dairy intake can significantly help you reduce the amount of acne you get on your skin. So cut down your milk and other dairy foods that you might have in your diet. Wash your pillowcases frequently. Changing and washing your pillowcases frequently can help you avoid lying on bacteria that were gathered from the sweat, from your sweat and from your hair onto the pillowcases. And what the hell am I saying? When you wash your pillowcases, when you change and wash your pillowcases frequently, it helps you avoid lying in and therefore transferring those bacteria on your face. And usually if you're thinking, where the hell did bacteria come from? They came from your sweat and from your hair. Question answered. Reduce your sugar intake. Reducing your sugar intake will help you cut back on the amount of sugar in your body, which would in turn lower your blood sugar level, which if left to go high can cause you acne. And the last tip I have for you today is to keep your skin moisturized and avoid it from over drying. The reason why you should keep your skin moisturized and avoid it from over drying is that when your skin gets dry, it tries to produce oils of its own, and those oils can clog your pores and cause you to break out. So always keep your skin moisturized, obey the 60 seconds rule, and you'll be just fine. So that's about it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you learned a thing or two from this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you get to subscribe, I don't know what you're waiting for, but just do it already. And don't forget to leave a comment letting me know your thoughts on this video or other videos that you like to see on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.